welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to show you one of my most favorite biker boots that I have. So it is this beautiful model from Louis Vuitton. This particular shoe's name is Wonderland Flat Ranger Boot. It costs 1,390 euros, which is a pretty high price, I guess, for like biker boots. But guys, this is not only a biker boot, this is a sensational boot that you can wear in so many ways, and I will show to you everything in a little bit. But first I'm gonna show you the shoe itself. So here you can see this beautiful closing system and also the boot from behind. And of course you can see the Louis Vuitton logo all around the shoe and also the boot from the front. So yeah guys, when I saw those boots, I always wanted to have them, and I thought about them for a pretty long time because I didn't know if the price was worth like for biker boots. Of course, if it would have been like a higher boot, I would have said okay, but I thought it's like such a little biker boots and I really had to think about it. But in the end I decided I need to have them, so I've got them and I really don't regret it. First of all, the comfort of this boot, guys, is so nice. I could wear in it, I could like walk in it so much and my feet won't hurt. So this is a very important thing for me because I've had a lot of shoes that weren't so comfortable and I don't wear them now. So these boots I have for 1 year already and I have worn them almost every day in the autumn until early spring. Also you can see it on the sole, so these were weird of me, but you can see here this beautiful Louis Vuitton logo, and also those shoe was made in Italy. It is written very tiny here on the sole. I've got them in size 37, and as I told you in my earliest video with the rubber boots, I've got every Louis Vuitton shoe in size 37, and for me it is the perfect size. Also, I am wearing 37 for a lot of other shoes, so yeah, this shoe is really one of my favorite. What I really loved about this shoe is that it has this beautiful monogram canvas leather, so it is all around the shoe. And it is like so typical Louis Vuitton. And also here the closing system, if you look closely you will see that it is also a Louis Vuitton logo, which you can just clap it open and then you can open this. Also this little thing here you can just pull out and then you can wear it without it if you like. So then you have a little bit of a simple boot, but also you can wear it of course with a strap. I used it in the lately time, I think, without the strap because it was like easier and faster to like close the shoe. You can see here you have these beautiful laces which you can just put inside, or you can like wrap them here on the front. So this is actually very individual and you can do it however you want. So this shoe looks so stunning. I will show you one thing with the strap and also without the strap, so you can see there is a little bit of difference. Also from the front there is a little bit of different, and also I think that this is like different styles, so you can style it also differently. This is like the more elegant version and this is like a little bit of sporty version with the strap. So both are very beautiful. I really love it and I wear those shoes almost every time. So yeah guys, these were my beautiful Ranger boots from Louis Vuitton. I hope you like them. So if you like them, please like my video, subscribe to my channel and comment my videos.